Today we're going to be checking out the SpeedForm modern billet stainless steel radiator cover with a polished finish designed to fit the 1999 to 2004 Mustangs, but not including the 03 and 04 Cobras. If you're looking to clean up the engine bay and add a touch of shine, then this is going to be a great option. This radiator cover provides a sleek, finished look that pairs well with other polished chrome components under the hood. It's going to be simple, but an effective upgrade that enhances the overall look of that engine bay. It covers up the top section of your radiator support, hiding any exposed components for a cleaner, more refined appearance. This polished finish is going to add a high-end, custom touch that stands out at car shows or just whenever you happen to pop that hood for people to check out the engine bay. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this radiator cover is durable, corrosion resistant, and built to last. Unlike plastic alternatives, it won't fade, crack, or warp over time. The hand-polished mirror finish on this ensures a very brilliant shine, making it a standout piece for any engine bay. It also is going to be precision cut for an exact fit, ensuring seamless integration into your Mustang's factory components and looking super clean in that engine bay. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's going to come in right around that mid to upper 100s price range, which is an affordable price point for cleaning up the look of your engine bay and really upgrading that aesthetic appeal. Installation on this is going to be pretty quick and simple, so we're going to rate it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this installed in just 30 minutes or less of your time. This is going to be a direct bolt-on install with no modifications being required, so let's head on out to the shop and we're going to walk you through details of that install process.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet, clip remover tool, 4mm Allen wrench, and 8 and 10mm sockets. What's up, guys? Today we're installing a radiator cover on our Mustang, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is remove our factory rad cover. We've got 2 clips back here and then a clip and a clip up front. We're also going to be removing these 2 clips at the center of our grill as well. So grab a clip remover tool, get under the center part, and then pop it out. And then you can remove your cover. So now with our factory rad cover out of the way, we're going to take a 10mm socket and remove the 2 nuts on our coolant reservoir, and then the 2 8mm bolts on our upper rad support brackets that are going to be replaced. And then we can remove our upper rad support brackets, because we have new ones that are going to be replacing these. Next, we're going to grab our new rad support brackets. Now this one that's straight is going to be going on the passenger side. The one that's offset is going to be going on the driver's side. So on this bigger hole, we're going to take this gasket and slide that into place, just like that. And then you can press that onto the top of your radiator. We're just going to do that same thing over here. There's a little slot in there that's going to sit in the metal. Now in this kit, we have thin and thick washers. The thin washers are going to go underneath of our coolant reservoir. So we're just going to pick this up and pop it off those studs and drop those washers on. And now we're going to lay our rad support bracket on. Slide it underneath of your hood latch here. And then you can pop your coolant reservoir back over your studs. And now we're going to take those thick washers. Those are going to go in between our rad cover and the bracket here. And then we have an Allen head bolt with a flat washer that's going to be going through there. Get that through both brackets. Thread your bolt into that hole. And then you can do that same thing on the other side. And then reinstall your 2 nuts on your coolant reservoir. And then we'll grab those factory push clips that go at the top of our grill and just clip those down and into place. Now grab your 10mm socket and tighten down your 2 nuts. And then grab a 4mm Allen wrench to tighten down these 2 Allen bolts. And then lastly, we have a clip here for our hood rod. We're just gonna press it right into that rectangular hole.
All right, well, that's gonna do it for our review and install of the SpeedForm modern billet stainless steel radiator cover with a polished finish designed to fit the 1999 to 2004 Mustang, but not including the 03 and 04 Cobras. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.